Taurus, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At ito ang inyong energy update for the first half ng July. July 1 to 15, 2024. So if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo na lang kung paano mag-book for a private reading. So let's see, Taurus. Ano yung update sa inyo? July 1 to 15. Sixth house. You are going to focus on your daily routine. Maaring meron kang mga aayusin sa pang-araw-araw mong pinagkakaabalahan, may o-organize ka. Some of you may decluttering, paglilinis, spring cleaning. Yung iba sa inyo, magfo-focus rin sa inyong kalusugan, no? Having healthy mind, body, and spirit. Diba? Practicing self-love, self-care. This is your energy. You are also focused on your productivity. So, gusto nyo mas productive kayo. South Node energy from the past. Okay, maaring meron kayong aayusin na problema nyo in the past. What is South Node? Third house. This is about communication. Maaring merong communication na marireceive from a past relationship or sa isang trabaho na dati mong trinabaho. Trabaho na dati mong pinagtrabahuhan or a career na dati mong pinursu, no? Some of you naman, maaring may aayusin kang relationship with your sibling, no, sa kapatid mo. Kung meron kayong naging issue or kung di man you will have more time with your siblings ngayong first half ng July. Let's see, overall energy. Ace of Cups, new source of happiness, new source of inspiration. Yung iba sa inyo may new beginnings, new beginning, new relationship, new business na kung saan nandun yung passion mo, yung gusto mo, yung interest mo. Your challenge is the Star. Okay, as a challenge, no, this is healing. So pwedeng itong energy from the past, maaring maging challenging sa'yo yung pagtanggap ng nangyari sa past or kung paano mag-move on, lalo na kung merong magbabalik na person sa buhay mo na minsan nagbigay sa'yo ng sakit ng ulo or ng problema. But I think dito mo malalaman kung ready ka na to move on, to move forward. Kasi minsan sasabihin natin na okay na ako, naka-move on na ako, pero biglang merong triggers, may mangyayari or may marirealize ka na, hindi ka pa pala totally nakaka-move on. So now, this is your time na ma-realize yan, ma-check mo yung sarili mo if you are ready to move on and move forward. So your opportunity is the 9 of Wands. Ito yung courage, lakas ng loob na magpatuloy kahit na may mga challenging situation sa buhay mo. Okay? Let's see your blessing, the Page of Wands. Some of you, meron kayong adventure ngayong first half ng July. Maybe travel adventures. This is more on self-discovery, no? You want to discover more about yourself. Pwedeng may mga bago kang susubukan na exciting activities na never mo pang na-try before. Okay? So, ngayon, you want something new. Basically, you want something new. Let's see your money, career, finances. The Magician. Wow. Okay, you have the 7 of Swords and the 10 of Pentacles. Okay. Taurus. The Magician is someone na maraming talents. Marami kang talents, marami kang skills, marami kang kayang gawin that will make you abundant, that will make you financially stable. However, merong mga taong pwedeng mga doble kara to, no? Na pwedeng sa workplace to, sa trabaho, no? Or yung mga taong nakamatsid sa'yo, pwede rin kamag-anak, no? Na merong ill intentions towards you. Pwedeng may inggit, merong jealousy. So, be very careful sa mga pagkakatiwalaan mo pagdating sa pera, pagdating sa mga bagay na sinishare mo sa kanila. Kasi yung inggit, medyo malakas yung power na yan eh. Na it can really ruin something. Pwede niyang sirain ang isang magandang bagay dahil lang sa inggit. So, I suggest na stay low-key, celebrate your small wins within the people na, yung mga taong alam mong supportive talaga sa'yo. But I feel like there is something na marireveal ngayong first half ng July na malalaman mo kung itong taong to ay mapagkakatiwalaan ba o hindi. Kaya maging maingat rin sa pera, sa mga pinagkakatiwalaan mo sa pera kasi pwedeng meron dito na may hindi gawing maganda pagdating sa pera. I don't know. So, i-check nyo na lang kung makaka-resonate kayo dito. Healer. Heart healing. Oh, okay. Wow, new beginnings. So, yung iba sa inyo, maaring ito'y nangyari na in the past, na meron kayong pinagkatiwalaan, yung iba na scam. But you are healing from this experience. Marami ka nang natutunan dito. And now, you are starting something new. Parang kumbaga, reset ulit, bagong experience, bagong trabaho, bagong business. Or, simula ulit, no? Magsisimula ka ulit. Let's say your love life. Taurus. The King of Wands, Four of Swords, and the Fool. Okay. Some of you, kung meron kayong kinut off na tao sa buhay ninyo, maybe this person will reach out. That makes sense with the past energy here, yung South Node. Pwedeng, will try to win you back, no? Makikipagbalikan. Be careful sa mga ganun rin kasi hindi lahat ng past or karamihan sa person in the past or people in the past na bumabalik sa buhay natin, some of them, no, ay ganun pa rin eh. Wala silang pinagbago. Okay? So, just make sure if you're going to give this person a chance, talagang alam mo yung consequences na may possibility na tong taong to i-fail ka ulit. You may be dealing with a Scorpio or Aquarius or fire sign Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Oh, nako. Okay, specific message para sa iba sa inyo, Taurus. Medyo SPG to. Maaring itong person na to, para siyang temptation, yung pagbabalik niya. Kumbaga, test rin to sa'yo ng universe kung talagang natuto ka na dun sa experience mo in the past. Kasi possible na itong person na to, karmic connection, babalik sa buhay mo, pero parang same lang din yung, or worse, yung may offer niya sa'yo. So be careful with yung totoong intention ng taong to. And I think, no, with the Fool and the Four of Swords, yung iba sa inyo, if you have healed, no, nakapag-heal ka na from your past, you are moving on, you are moving forward. Focus ka na sa bagong simula. Okay? If there is an energy from the past coming through, I think it's a test. Tinetest ka lang ng universe kung ready ka na for a new chapter in your life. Tower, unplug and relax for a spell. Yes. So, ito yung i-detach mo muna yung sarili mo sa medyo magulong situation, no? Para hindi ka naapektuhan or na-influensyahan ng mga yan. Hanggat hindi ka pa decided sa gusto mong gawin, sa path na gusto mong i-take. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo magkakaroon ng social media detoxification, yung tipong aalis ka muna sa social media, hindi ka muna mag-open ng Facebook, ng Instagram, or kung naman yung social media accounts ninyo. You will try to clear your head, to clear your mind para kapag nakapag-decide ka, you will have the best decision para sa situation mo. Okay? So that is your reading, Taurus. Thank you so much. Bye.